This video is for people who don't know how to pronounce this word, this, and this. If you have trouble pronouncing these words, this video is for you. Si vous avez un problème pour prononcer mot sa yo très bien, ou du moins ou avez habitude de faire erreur dans prononciation yo, vidéo ça vraiment utile. People having trouble pronouncing these words, they don't know exactly how to pronounce, because sometimes I see some people speaking English, and if you ask them to pronounce this, they pronounce it away. And if you ask the person again to pronounce it, the person gives another sound. Why? It's because he doesn't know the unique way to pronounce this, this, and this. So let's go to help you how to pronounce. Firstly, people pronounce this as or. You know, when I say or, this, people say or for these words. Gen moun ki prononce or la comme or nan mot sa yo. But est-ce que yo prononce comme or? Like somebody might say word. No, it's not word. And it's the reason why you are watching this video. Et c'est raison qui fait regarder vidéo ça. Do not say word, say word. As in bird. You say bird. This sound as in bird, as in girl, as in where. You say where. You say word, you say work, you say world. And this world, people make mistake. They say world. It's not we are the world, it's we are the world. Most are prononcé comme world. Can you try it? World. Let's go. World. I am in the world. Not I am in the world. We are the world, not we are the world. So I know Excel, I know Word. I do not say word. Moi dis word. Can you write this word on the board? Yes, I am writing word. I am writing the word word on the board. Moi écrit le mot sous tableau. The word word means mot, word. I don't like this word. Yes, word, word. And work, work, work. As in girl, bird, and where. You don't say walk, I say work. I work for a company. I work for a company. Do you work for a company? Yes, I work for a great company. Everybody is in the world. We are in the world. You are in the world. I am in the world. Great. I think this video is useful. You know how to pronounce. You say word, you say work, and you say world. World, not world. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, do not hesitate to subscribe to the right. Thank you so much. Bye bye.